Hi guys, it is giveaway time here on In the Kitchen with Sandy. Up for grabs is this beautiful, beautiful little bottle of my signature blend seasoning. This stuff is fabulous. If you haven't tried it, if you haven't ordered it, today is your lucky day. Somebody's lucky day. All you need to do to qualify is go onto my Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy, and make sure that you share my page on your Facebook page. That's all you have to do to be entered to win this stuff. If you have already ordered this and if you love it like we love it, please let me know. Leave me a comment, let me know, because I know this stuff is fabulous. I wouldn't be putting it out there if it wasn't. So make sure that you go to my Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy, and I want you to share it on your Facebook page. Hey, gotta give a little to, gotta make you work for this. Gotta make you work for this. Get to working. Anyway, you know I love you guys so very much. Good luck to everybody. Make sure you leave a comment below when you have shared my Facebook fan page, so I know who has done it, and I'm gonna be checking. So good luck to you guys. I love you so very much. Hope you're enjoying the recipes and the content. The winner will be announced tomorrow. Today is Friday. This video will upload today. So tomorrow, I'm gonna let you know tomorrow, and I'm gonna be checking. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.